what's your name?
Okay, my name is Sam Samnet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you studied physics and astronomy in your undergraduate, and now you are doing postgraduate in physics and astronomy. Is that correct?
Yes, I did physics at my undergraduate.
Okay. So what would you say the department is all about? Like, what does the course entails? Physics and astronomy in university.
Okay, physics and astronomy is a very interesting and vast profession. Okay. Like here in University of Nigeria, Suka, you have a lot of areas of specialization. Okay. It's not just general physics, but there are other, you specialize in a certain field of physics, okay, depending on your strength and your interests. So like here we have astrophysics, and we have medical physics, we have solar energy, we have atmospheric, we have geophysics.
What opportunities are there in studying this course?
Plenty of opportunities in the public sector and also in private sector. Physics is modeled to answer public solutions. Like, for example, if you may choose to do, for example, medical physics, one of the areas that you find yourself is the hospitals. Yeah, hospitals. You work as a medical physicist in the hospital, and then you also equipped to find solutions to solar, because we have solar energy in physics. Okay. You study everything and about solar energy, and the content of the course is designed to come up with tangible solutions, okay, to anything that is affecting society, especially in the energy sector. We also have another specialty in astrophysics. This one is about space science. You study the Earth, you study the atmosphere, and how the phenomenon in the in space affect the livelihood of people staying on Earth. So physics is a science that is very visible, and you can feel it. You can see how good it is when you venture it is. From outside, a lot of people have a misconception that it's a very difficult program.
Yes.
But actually it is not, okay, because having done my undergraduate and now I'm doing my postgraduate, it is something that is found to be almost like the easy something to do. Now, the only thing that one is supposed to do, the one who is coming to do physics, like first year is entering university, the only prerequisite that you are supposed to possess is a strong background in mathematics.
Okay.
Yeah, because in physics you encounter a lot of calculations. Yeah. It's not a social science lab where you're supposed to read theory. No, you do a lot of calculation here and there. So a strong background in mathematics is key.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me ask, why did you decide to study physics and astronomy?
Okay. First of all, I love anything calculation.
Okay.
Yes. Anything that involves mathematics, I am good at that. And then why I studied physics and astronomy is during my undergraduate, first starting from my secondary school. The teacher who taught me physics was good at it and inspired me to do physics. So that's how I made up my mind to enter university and find more about physics. When I entered physics, I had a lot of interactions with doctors, professors who came to as they taught us, they inspired us. So I thought like, wow, this is a very interesting field.
Okay.
Because they didn't only teach us theory, but they also taught us the application part of what we are doing. So which I found interesting, and then decided to apply for my postgraduate program.
Okay.
So now it has something that I never understood is now becoming real to me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you made mention of physics and astronomy. You need to have a very good background of mathematics.
Yes.
Okay, let's say there are some category of students that did not get a very good foundation from their secondary school.
Yes.
So is it still possible for that category of students to study physics and astronomy and do well in university?
Yeah, most definitely. Because when you enter a department to do physics, they also offer fundamental mathematical courses, something that you can use. We don't learn general mathematics. What we do is the mathematics that you can apply to in physics. So as you learn your physics, there are also some courses in mathematics that are taught for you to have a basic understanding of the physics you are supposed to be doing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So it's very much possible, even if you didn't perform well in secondary school, but you can still make it and succeed in physics because you still be taught mathematics. In short, when you are doing physics, you cannot run away from mathematics at any level, undergraduate, postgraduate. You still find mathematics courses just to help you progress in physics.
Okay, so as long as the students like you are determined that you want to succeed, you can do well.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question I want to ask, you may mention of some different specialty in this department.
Yes.
So what are the opportunities like after graduation? What are the opportunities like for graduates of this course in terms of employment?
All right. A lot of industries opportunities are there. One of the areas opportunities, of course, in the area of education.
Okay.
You can be a teacher of physics. You can be, if you progress to a higher level like postgraduate, you end up being a lecturer of physics. You end up being like earlier mentioned, you find yourself in the hospitals, in the health sector as a medical physicist.
Okay.
Also, you can find yourself in banking, because we do with what we call computational physics. Anything programming is applied in these technological sectors. Like I would say, anywhere where you find the technology like computers, physics is mostly applied and needed there. And also in these are energy firms. They need the physicists there.
Yes.
Because you do a lot of energy, solar energy especially, renewable energy. So a lot of knowledge is acquired in physics, and you
Even
find
in
yourself.
oil and gas sector.
Yes, that is also physics.
Okay.
Yes, so opportunities are plenty.
Okay.
Yes, very much plenty.
Okay.
Yes.
So this course, how demanding is this course? Does it give you the opportunity like to engage in other activities, or when you come into the departments, you stay in a class, you do a lot of assignment, you do a lot of calculations? Like how demanding is this course?
Very, very demanding.
Okay.
I'll say physics is very demanding.
Okay.
One, it will require much of your time. Like you sleep less.
Wow.
Yeah, you sleep less. When doing this, you need to have the passion for it, because it will inconvenience your own time. Because a lot of things like are put on the table before you by the lecturer for you to understand them. It takes a lot of time.
Okay.
So you need quite a number of sleepless nights. You at some time you not even have time to spend time with your friends, socialize, but much of the time you need to spend it on studying books, reading, and trying to understand something.
Yeah.
Though you cannot understand everything at that moment, but
Yeah.
it is gradual.
Yeah.
Now for you to understand it fully, you need to be consistent in looking at it.
Okay.
So it is something that requires a lot of time, a lot of your attention.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So lastly, I want to ask, what advice do you have for a student that is aspiring to study physics and astronomy at the university?
I would say physics and astronomy is a very promising career one can study. It's very promising because and a lot of opportunities are still coming up. Yes, so I will encourage and advise those students that is wishing to do physics. Please, you are most welcome. Just come and do it with one heart. And there are a lot of people to help out when you come into university. Lecturers are available, and also they have senior students. For example, if you are an undergraduate, we have postgraduate students around to help you and tutor you,
mentor you also.
mentor you and tutor you in some of the difficulties that you may come across.
Okay.
So it is a very, I would say it's not an easy career to one can go into, but with passion and determination, you can easily make it.
Yes.
Yes. Most of the times we find ourselves few in physics compared to other programs.
Yeah.
But if you enter physics, it's not possible to fail because you have all the resources around.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can easily find out and consult.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So everyone is advised to come and study physics.
Yeah, yeah.
And you appreciate.
Yeah, so you don't need to be scared. As long as you have the determination, it is possible.
Yes, very possible. There's no need of fear.
Yes.
There's no need of fear. You know, everything that, whatever you are scared of, someone has done it before.
Yes.
And they didn't die. They are still surviving. So, and that same physics that one is scared about is something that is taught by a human being like you.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's no room for fear, actually.
That's true.
Yeah, yes.
All right, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Okay, you are welcome.
Okay, all
You are
right.
welcome.